Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm super excited to see you back on my channel. So I'm back with another makeup tutorial. It's going to be dedicated to upcoming Valentine's Day, and I'm very excited about this holiday because it's another occasion when you can, get together with the people you love, with your husband, with your boyfriend, with your girlfriend, whoever you're dating. So this is a very special holiday for me because it's another opportunity to be alone and have a romantic little getaway with my husband. So I'm very excited. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to show you the partner that I have for this video. This is the brand called Dossier Perfumes. I showed you this brand a few times before and I really enjoy working with them. So this is the box, the new perfume that I got from them. I just want to show you like a little unboxing. When you open the box, you get explanation of like their benefits. First of all, it's made in France, risk-free order, vegan and cruelty-free, and clean fragrances. So you get the card that explains the scent that you get. I got the spicy orchid and explains like inspiration for it. It shows the percentage of concentrate. It's like a little thank you card altogether. So I got my perfume right here. This is how the box looks like. The perfume goes right in there. Also, you can find the notes for the perfume right on the bottle. I'll get back to it in a second. And also, it says risk-free order. And why it says so? Because there's a little bit, like a little tester included. So if you do not open the main bottle, you can just try this sample right here, and if you don't like it, you can just ship it back and no questions asked. This is actually 50 milliliters bottle, and this is like a magnetic cap that goes on top. This is one of my favorite features because it's super fine spray and it's very comfortable packaging. I absolutely love it. So the bottle this size costs about $29, and they also have different promotions on their website constantly running. For 50 milliliters bottle, it's a great deal comparing to like a brand names. And sometimes on their website, if you have a particular perfume that you really like, you can look up what's the inspiration for the perfume is, and you can find something very, very similar. So I really enjoy working with this brand, and I'll post their link down below, so if you're interested, you can check it out. So for today's looks, I want it to be something very soft and romantic. I already did my base. I used the foundation, powder, and I contoured and highlighted a little bit. So I'm of course going to be using my Glam palette, my oldie but a goodie. So first of all, I'm going to apply this Mama Bear in my crease. And I'm actually going to use it as my mirror as well because I ain't got no any other mirror. And I'm using just like a standard blending brush. I want this makeup tutorial to be super fast and effortless, but I mean, of course we have like a different, I don't know, for some people winged eyeliner is simple, and for other people it's pretty difficult. So depending on who you are, it might not be as simple, but I just kept it in mind, something that I can achieve pretty fast because I usually don't have much time, watching the kids and things like that. So the next color, I'm going to use the Sex Talk, and with a tapered blending brush, I'm going to also apply it in my crease. It's going to be like a very settled eye. I don't want it to be super bright. I want it to be like a mauve and soft and romantic. Let me guys know what your plans are for Valentine's Day, because we're still thinking. We usually don't celebrate on like actual day because places are just crazy packed. We might actually just do like a picnic or something, because right now in the pandemic, Preston doesn't like to go out and like dine out, so we'll probably do something on like outdoors. I don't know. So the crease is pretty much done for right now. So the next, I wanted to darken my outer corner. I'm going to use the smaller brush. I'm actually going to use the same color as a base, and I'm going to deepen it later. So just applying this sex talk on the outer corners. I wanted to do like halo eyes, but I feel like halo eyes more so girls like. I feel like the guys prefer smoky eyes, and since it's like a romantic holiday, you probably want to put some effort, you know, to cater your boyfriend or something like that. I don't know, this is just my way of thinking, I might be wrong. And then I'm going to darken it with Intervention. I just really want it to be very like smoky and sexy. It's probably similar to the looks I did like a million times, but I feel like this is the most confident look that I do. Confident, like it makes me feel pretty and sexy, and I think this is exactly what needs to be for Valentine's Day. You know, you want to be confident. Alright, so next in the inner corners I'm going to apply this Keeping It 100. And I'm also applying this under my brow bone. This color and this shade is very pigmented, so I don't really use MAC Fix Plus or anything with it. And I applied it with a flat top brush. Now with the taper brush, it's like flat but not exactly flat, so I'm going to use the same Sex Talk on the bottom, just on my outer corners, just like very outer corners, and I want to keep the rest empty for right now. And with a clean brush, I'm going to use this Lash Queen, which is this. It's also purple, but it's like a with the sheen to it. Shimmer Mauve. So I'm applying this in the rest of my under eye. And I feel like I want to blend it out a little bit, so I'm just going to use some kind of small brush. I don't have many like tapered tiny pencil brushes, so I'm going to use the Mama Bear and just blend it out a little bit. Just apply it underneath. And this can be like a different combinations. If you don't like this pink or mauve look, you can always do just browns. It's a very simple like technique that you can repeat with like so many different shades. So now for all over the lid, I want it to be like a little tiny pop of something pink but subtle. So I'm using this Fenty Beauty palette. I bought it a while ago. It's super dirty, but not because I used it. I was actually not the biggest fan of this palette, but because my kids were playing with it and they broke a few eyeshadows. So, yep, this palette, see, it's all broken. But anyway, this is very pretty eyeshadow palette, but I just didn't get the best color payoff of it. So, I'm going to use this pink all over my eyelid. I'm going to apply it with a flat brush. And I'm going to spray the brush with the MAC Fix Plus because, like I said, I did not get much of the payoff, so I'm going to, you know, help it a little bit. And then I might try with my finger, because even with this MAC Fix Plus, I still don't get much payoff. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it with my finger. Yeah, it's much better with the finger, and I heard from some people that it might work a little better. But I like this. It's like it's the glitter, but it's very fine glitter, so it's not super overwhelming, you know. Okay, I think it's working out better. Yep, and this is pretty much it for the eyeshadow portion. I'm going to apply some eyeliner and mascara and lashes. So for eyeliner, I'm using my favorite All My Liquid Liner. And I'm doing like a very thin eyeliner on top because my eyes are pretty small, and when I apply thicker line, it kind of makes them even smaller. Right, done with my eyeliner. It took just a quick second. Now mascara, my favorite is the Benefit Roller Lash. Told you many times about that. A lot of this makeup, it's like repetition of what I've been using. So it's just my favorites because, like I said, for Valentine's Day, I just want to feel confident and I want to make sure that, you know, nothing is going to act certain way, because sometimes, you know, you put a different mascara and it like falls out on your cheeks or something. So I just want to know what to expect. Okay, done with mascara. Now using this House of Lashes glue, I'm gonna put up my eyelashes. And the trick when you're applying lashes is to let the glue get really tacky. So it takes about, I don't know, 15-20 seconds when you're putting some glue on it, and then you gotta wait, and then you're gonna try to wait a little bit longer, and then you're going to apply it. And I think it's ready. I'm usually using tweezers, but I forgot them, so now that I'm done with my face and with my eyes, the last thing that's left to do is applying some lipstick. So today I'm using this combo. It's a Smashbox and Vlada collab. I believe this collection came out like a year and a half ago or so. And this is the Petal Metal shade. And I'm using this Morphe Love Bite lip liner. I'm just going to outline my lips a little bit. Plus I need to sharpen it. Now applying the lipstick. Dang, it's very dramatic. It's definitely metal. Let me guys know if you like metal lipsticks. I know sometimes people really enjoy them and sometimes it's like too much. I'm right in between. Depends on my mood. And I feel like I'm going to dab it with my finger a little bit just to tone it down a tiny bit. Okay, I feel that did the trick. So I really enjoy how this look turned out. I think it's very soft and glamorous. At the same time, it's not super difficult to achieve in my opinion. So please let me guys know what you think. I feel like this lipstick is not the best combination with this silky, I don't know, clothing, but what you guys think? I think this is the look. I might change my earrings, but I think this is a great look to go to the restaurant and celebrate Valentine's Day. Please let me guys know once again what you are going to do for this holiday. If you have any special plans, especially since this is a, you know, celebration in a pandemic still. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and please give me your comments down below and let me know if you want to see more videos like this. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Bye!